Hi everyone, Melanie here from Inner Sun. Today I want to show you how to do some salutation that feels a lot easier on the joints. So instead of doing the traditional sun salutation high plank to chaturanga, we're gonna skip that part and we're gonna substitute that with cat-cows. So let me show you how we can do that. So first, start at the top of your mat in mountain pose or Tadasana. Connect both feet to the ground. Place palms in front of your heart center. On the inhale, you're gonna circle the arms up and look up. Exhale, bend the knees and fold forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, get on all four. On the inhale, you're gonna do cow pose. Arch the back. Exhale, cat pose, round the spine. Inhale, back to neutral tabletop position. Exhale, tuck the toes under and send hips up to down dog. Bend your knees here generously to maintain the integrity of the straight spine. Look forward, step feet forward. Slowly rise up, one vertebra at a time, to mountain pose. So that was it. Inner Sun here. Thank you for watching.